Hello, today we'll be talking about the furthermaths June 2021 Maths AQA question 11. A matrix multiplied by another matrix equals a constant multiplied by the identity matrix, and we have to figure out what A and B is. So first, let's see what I is, the identity matrix. Since it's a 2 by 2 matrix, it would be 1 0 0 1. And if we multiply k by it, the 1's become k's. Next, how do we multiply two matrices together? Well, you can use the dot product. How do we use the dot product again? So first you pick a row from matrix A and a column from matrix B. Let's say I chose the row 2, 1 from matrix A and the column A and 0 from matrix B. Multiply each element in the row by the element in the column. So it will be 2 multiplied by A and 1 multiplied by 0. Adding them, we get 2A plus 0. And it will go to the position where the row and column intersect, so the top left. So if we have a matrix that's A, B, C, D, and another one that's E, F, G, H, you will get AE plus BG, AF plus BH, CE plus DG, CF plus DH. Because, well, you can see that AB, the first one, right, AB multiplied by EG. So you get A, E, and BG, which is the first ones and the second ones. This one, we will use the FH column and the AB, and we'll get AF and BH. After that, we'll use the bottom one with CD and EG to get CE plus DG, and the last two for CF plus DH. So now that we know that we can calculate it after we put it in a box, plugging in the values for A to H, we will get 2A, as I've said before. CE will be 0 plus 0, so it will be just 0. CF plus DH. CF is just 0, and DH is 1.2. For AF and BH, this one, that would be AF, so it would be 2 times B, which would be plus 0.4 from the fact that we have B and H. 0, which is quite obvious as I've said. Finally, let's go to actually find the values. Since this is equal to Ki, which we've known before, looks like this, we can conclude that 2A equals K, because they're in the same position. 2B plus 0.4 will equal to 0, because again, they're in the same position. 1.2 and is also equal to K. And obviously 0 is equal to 0. Since we know 2A equals K and 1.2 equals K, we can conclude 2A is 1.2 and A is 0.6. That's the first one. Next one, 2B plus 0.4 equals 0. So put 0.4 to the other side to get negative 0.4, and divide both sides by 2 to get negative 0.2 as the final answer for B. Now, this is how you get 4 marks. 4 marks or 4 marks. First, you put in the dot product multiplied matrix, both of them. Next, you put in the equations you found. This equals this, and that equals that. Well, not actually, but because it's based on the identity matrix, which has the constant. So we can conclude this is equal to that, and this is equal to that. And we can figure out the answers to get 4 marks. And that's the end.